Did you know that Burna Boy has to give Tony Braxton 60% royalties for using that sample?
But she is taking 60% of the shit, so.
But shit, you know, you'll make it a show money, don't worry.
I don't think that's affected his pockets. He's eating well, doing shows and stuff like that, so I don't think that's a problem. Anyway, in this video, I want to recreate Last Last, absolute banger. Let's get into it. The BPM for this is 88 beats per minute. All right, first of all, what I'm going to do is create the drum pattern, or a drum pattern, just so I've got something to work off when I'm creating a sample. Let's clear this drum pattern. Yeah, so we want that bouncy drum pattern. Yeah, I like that. Bounce. So we're just going to copy the pattern more or less the same for what I've done in the first part, the first 2 bars. I want to add some more little quirky parts just to give it a bit more groove. Yeah, I like that. Alright, we'll go with that for now. Then we're going to sort that little sample part out. I'm not going to use a sample, I'm going to play the part of the sample instead and see if I can recreate that. I'm just going to use this sound here. Yeah, that one there. That's coming from the UVR workstation, water pluck sound. And right, we've got that. I'm gonna quantize those to 16th. We're just gonna loop that little part there. Drag it down to the violins. And we just need to add some more. That little end piece there. Whoops. I don't think that kick's hitting hard enough, so I'm going to find a better kick than that. So I've swapped out the kick for one I think is a bit more punchy. Let's get these levels on these strings. Kick sounding a bit wild. Let's turn that down a touch. Set a bit of reverb on that. change the quantize. Let's put the drum pattern onto the actual range window and then turn it off by the sequencer. Maybe add in a different snare as well, just to emphasize the snare. Turn it up a bit. Get a bass line in there. Alright, let's get some more hi-hats in there just to spice up this pattern. Let's see if we can get some aggressive strings in there. And we're gonna go for solo violin. There's another part in there that I heard. I'm gonna throw that in there. Some kind of like little synthy bell type of sound. Just want to get rid of these delays because they're bugging me. Right, let's make that an 8-bar loop because this small loop here, can't vibe with it. Shallow. Alright, and I want to get some more strings in there as well, just because I'm just going to build this out like it's a whole, like it's the chorus, the hook sort of thing. And yeah, let's just do that. Okay. Oh, that's not wrong. Alright, we got that. Let's have a little kick in there. Okay. Right, I'm gonna change that drum pattern there with the double kick and move that along. Alright, let me just drop those strings, see how that sounds. Just drop the strings an octave, if you didn't see there. So I just highlighted the strings part, Command and A, just to highlight everything in that little section, and then Shift Alt, down arrow. Do it again. What am I doing? Turn out the wrong thing. Let's make it a bit epic. Make it a little bit different. Okay, let's just rub that running right through. Nah, it's clashing. Doing too much. See, that's what happens as well. You can overproduce. I don't think it needs all of that in there, to be honest with you. Let's get rid of that. The bells are bugging me. Let's move that bell across and try something else. No, let's leave that alone. Alright, let's get rid of all those. And we're gonna copy those. Bang them on there. Get a little bell. Remaking beats, as I said before, is the best way for you to get your production chops up and get your skills on point. That's my attempt at creating Burna Boy's Last Last. It sounds okay. There's obviously some, it's not going to sound exactly the same. I mean, I could get it to sound the same if I use the same samples, but it'll do. I mean, I could change some stuff and then send it out to an artist and create something new. And that's a little key to making new music. Yeah, I enjoyed making this beat. Just shows that simple is always best, less is more. Yeah, definitely gonna start doing that some more. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next one.